Hello, welcome back to our channel, everyone. With the holiday season upon us, now is the time for us to sit back and relax. With relaxation and snowy weather, you also benefit from the delicious meals that come rolling around this time of the year. While Christmas and winters are famous for delicious main courses, the dessert tends to steal the game. Today we come to you with the desserts, but of course served with an Italian twist. If you genuinely want to add an Italian spirit to your dining table, you need to consider these delicious and heartwarming Italian desserts. The best part is they will make your heart the happiest after every bite. Before we move ahead, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more fun content. Without further ado, let's get into it. Number 1. Pandoro. First up, we have Pandoro. You can't possibly talk about Italian Christmas sweet without bringing up the infamous Pandoro cakes. The Pandoro is one of Italy's most typical and classic recipes to make a lovely cake-like product. This soft and yellow product is often accompanied by a scoop of ice cream or on its own. While it is pretty easy to make, there is a lot of effort and time to create this cake-like dessert. This dessert goes back to Verona, northern Italy, where it used to be called pan de oro and was a dessert for the rich. The famous shape of Pandoro was decided by Angelona dall'Oca Bianca, who was a renowned painter. Number 2. Panettone. Next up is another Christmas cake made widely all over Italy. The panettone is a unique cake that is made very often during the holiday period. So if you decide to visit Italy during Christmas or near New Year, you can try it out. It is said that this bread was made back in the century to impress a baker's daughter. Shaped like a dome, with a raised and rounded top, the panettone is the sweet bread-like cake called a fruit loaf. The specialty of this fruit loaf is the ingredients that are filled in it. Inside it, you will find a lovely mix of candied orange, raisins, citron, along with a hint of lemon zest. You can have it with chocolate, mascarpone cream, or on its own. Number 3. Torrone. The following lovely delight we bring for you today is the torrone. Unlike the two mentioned above, this is a unique dessert that you would enjoy once you head to the Italian region. The torrone is one of the finest traditional Christmas time sweets out there. It comes in a wide range of textures and can be made to fit different taste buds. You can have it soft and chewy or a bit on the harder side. It is said that the oldest torrone of all time goes back to the Roman period, created with a mix of sugar, honey, egg whites, and lots of nuts. This nougat comes in vanilla, lemon, and tons of other flavors. In Italy, the most common flavors for nougat are usually hazelnut and almond, but you can always play around with flavors. If you like, you should definitely think of heading to Benevento and Cremona, which are the main cities where these famous Italian nougats are made. If you like this video, please subscribe and leave a comment saying "I subscribed" and I will personally reply to your comment. Number 4. Panforte. A dessert belonging to the beautiful Tuscany region, the panforte is of Siamese origin and has been around for a long time. This dessert is made with a combination of spices, sugar, and honey. However, while these three add many elements to the dessert, the fruits and nuts steal the show. The English translation for panforte is strong bread, which should give an idea of the dessert itself. The dessert was so treasured back in 1205 that it was used as a payment method for nuns and monks of local monasteries. The best part of panforte is that it is straightforward to make and there are tons of variation available. You can try out eating the original delicate sweet created back in the 19th century by Enrico Righi for the Queen Margherita, or you can try out the darker version of the sweet called Panforte Nero. This one comes with an underlying taste of yummy almonds and darker chocolates. Number 5. Napolitan Struffoli. Last up, we have for you the classic Napolitan Struffoli. Have you ever seen the Christmas tree and noticed the colorful bubbles that are used as decoration? This treat will give you the same vibe, except that you can eat these. Topped with sprinkles, the Napolitan Struffoli are delicious sweet bubble-like dessert that is deep fried and topped with sweet goodness such as honey or chocolate to give it an outstanding taste. The Struffoli is such famous in the Italian region that it has been associated with various prominent figures. It is said that Archestratus, the Greek poet, once described the same dish as a dough ball fried in olive oil, with golden brown crust on the outside and sweetness on the inside. The Struffoli is perfect for quick snacking. And there you have it, folks. That's the list of the top 5 Italian sweets we have for you. Be sure to try out each one and let us know which is your favorite. We will love to hear your thoughts. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more fun content. Thank you for watching. Goodbye for now.